guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for our today's video, pag-uusapan natin kung paano tayo makakakuha ng e-travel pass or kung paano tayo makakapag-register dito para makakuha tayo ng kanilang QR code. But first, syempre, alamin na muna natin kung ano nga ba yung purpose ng e-travel. So, ang sabi ni Google, etravel serves as an online health declaration and contact tracing platform that aims to promote a convenient and seamless movement of international travelers from the departure from the country of origin to arrival at the local government unit, which is the LGU of destination. So guys, kailangan natin tong e-travel pass na to every time na lalabas tayo ng Pilipinas and at the same time pagbabalik na tayo ng Pilipinas. So most of the countries ngayon guys is hinihingi yung health declaration natin para alam nila guys kung vaccinated tayo or if ever man na kailangan nilang mag-contact tracing, if ever man na magka-case ng COVID and etc. So, kailangan nila yan guys. Pero meron din naman ng mga bansa na hindi na kailangan yan. Pero mandatory na every time na babalik na tayo ng Pilipinas, kailangan natin magkaroon ng e-travel pass or yung QR code nila na isa-scan nila. So, kailangan din ito guys, if ever man na vaccinated tayo, hindi na natin kailangan mag-RT-PCR or if ever man na hindi kayo fully vaccinated, nagre-require sila na magpa-test muna kayo. Anyway, yung link nito guys, ilalagay ko dun sa ating description box. You just have to click it and dito kayo mapupunta. Paalala lang guys na libre lang ang e-travel at wala kayong babayaran na kahit magkano. So make sure nyo na yung link or yung website na ipagre-register ninyo ay yun yung legit. And ito na nga guys, nandito na tayo sa ating website which is yung etravel. So as you can see, ito yung kanilang logo. Double check nyo na ito yung logo na makikita ninyo pagka-click nyo ng inyong link. And sabi nila, Philippine One-Stop Electronic Travel Declaration System daw. So in response to the IATF directive, the One Health Pass is officially replaced with the electronic travel. So, ayan nga, pagka-register or pagka-click nyo ng link, dito kayo mapupunta. So, pipili lang kayo between Philippine passport holder and foreign passport holder. So, pindutin nyo lang kung ano yung meron kayo dyan. So, in my case, I'm using a Philippine passport. So, ito yung i-click natin. So, if a foreign passport naman yung hawak ninyo, ito naman ang pipindutin nyo. Anyway, dito na muna tayo. Now, travel type. So, you just have to click it. And, ayan. So, arrival is if you're entering the Philippines or kung pauwi ka ng Pilipinas. Departure naman if kung lalabas kayo ng Pilipinas. And, click mo yung transportation type. Ayan. And, it's between air and sea lang naman. So, if sa airport ka, kung pupunta ka or mag-aeroplano ka, yun yung pipindutin natin. And then, date of arrival naman guys, kung kailan kayo uuwi. So, usually guys, at least 3 days before yung flight natin pa uwi, pwede na kayong mag-register. Pwede rin naman yung same day, pero mas maganda guys kung at least 1 day before tayo magre-register dito para if ever man na magka-issue, magka-problema, hindi tayo maghagahol sa oras. Dito naman, mag-enter ka ng email address. So, make sure na guys, active yan. Anyway, lagay natin for example yung email natin. And then, re-enter mo lang siya dito sa may bandang baba. And then, you just have to tap that. And then, click mo yung yes, I agree. And after that, click mo na yung continue para fill out na tayo ng mga personal information natin. So guys, nandito na tayo dun sa step 1 nila kung saan mag-fill up na tayo ng personal information natin. So, sabi dito, attention to all travelers, please ensure that the information you provide is exactly the same with your passport details to avoid further inspection daw. During conduct of border formalities, kindly double-check your encoded data for a smooth and hassle-free journey as inconsistent, inaccurate information may result in delay. So, madadali kayo kapag mali-mali yung nilagay ninyo or hindi siya kamukha nung nasa passport. So, hindi pwedeng hula-hula lang dito guys. Anyway, ayan. So, kailangan lang naman natin ilagay dito yung ating first name, middle name, which is optional. So, pwede kahit wala tayong middle name as long as meron tayong first name and last name. And then, suffix. Ayan, kung meron kayong junior, senior, third, and etc. sa pangalan ninyo. And then, ayan, passport number. So, importante na ilagay nyo yung passport number nyo dito. And then, sex is yung female or male ba kayo yung gender ninyo. And then next naman is yung birth date. Ayan, kailangan natin ilagay yung birth date natin. Ilalagay mo lang dito, for example, 1970 something or 77 for example lang naman. And yung birthday mo is, ayan, ganyan. So, ilalagay mo lang siya. Citizenship. So, syempre, Filipino. If ever man, kung Filipino ka ba. And then, country of birth, kung saan ka pinanganak. Like, for example, Philippines. And, ayan, occupation. So, sa occupation, guys, hindi naman required na ilagay mo talaga. So, you can click others naman. Medyo magulo lang. Ayan, tap mo lang siya. So, hanapin mo lang kung anong occupation mo dito. Or pwede mo namang i-click yung others na lang. So, hindi naman siya totally mandatory. And then, ilagay mo lang yung phone number. The next button. Yung step 2, kailangan lang natin ilagay yung permanent country of residence natin. So, for example, syempre, kung taga-Pilipinas ka, yung province, yung municipality or yung city, and yung barangay, and then yung house number natin, building and street. So, optional itong sa pangalawa if ever man na magkulang yung inyong space dito. But anyway, optional lang to nasa may bandang baba and click mo na yung next button. So, after clicking the next button, guys, dito na kayo mapupunta for your travel details. So, Philippine arrival via air. Ayan yung nilagay natin kanina. And then, ayan, date of arrival, which is, ayan, yung kanina kung kailan tayo darating ng Pilipinas or depende kung anong bansa pa yan. And then, country of origin, kung saan kayo galing. So, for example, Taiwan. And if you're an OFW, ayan, nilagay mo din dyan, guys. Yes or no. So, tayo no. And purpose of your travel. So, ilalagay mo lang dito kung it's about business, convention, education, training, studies, government, official mission, health, medical reason, holiday, incentive, or others, kung wala dyan, guys. Or ito sa amin, visit friends or relatives. Now, yung traveler type naman. So, if you are an aircraft passenger, kung ikaw ay passenger lang or flight crew, or kung employee ka ng airport, ayan. So, pipili lang kayo dyan. After that, name of airline, kung saan kayo, kung anong airline yung inyong flight. So, ako, AirAsia. Next naman, guys, yung inyong flight number. So, makikita niyo yung flight number dun sa inyong ticket or dun sa inyong boarding pass. So, kung AirAsia ang gamit ninyo, pwede kasi kayong mag-check-in online. Makikita nyo agad and you just have to print it. But, hindi nyo na talaga kailangan actually i-print kasi bibigay naman nila sa inyo during pagpunta nyo ng airport. Pero, ayun nga guys, para lang may copy kayo. And, ayan, ilalagay mo lang yung flight number and then yung airport of arrival. So, ayan, lagay mo lang guys kung anong airport. So, kami, naiya yung aming airport. So, Terminal 3 for example, kung anong terminal yan. And, ayan, seat bed number. So, optional naman, so no need for that. And after that, guys, you just have to click the next button. So, yung step 4, ayan, fill up your destination upon arrival in the Philippines. So, let's get started. And guys, so, dito ilalagay nyo lang kung saan kayo pupunta pagdating nyo ng airport. So, pupunta ba kayo ng hotel or resort? Or pupunta kayo sa residence niyo, which is yung bahay ninyo? Or in transit, nalilipat lang kayo ng airport. So, ayan, meron kayong choices. Kapag sa hotel, lalagay mo lang yung pangalan ng hotel, and then yung contact information mo, or yung contact number ng hotel. And meron din naman sa residence, which is kung uwi na kayo diretso sa bahay ninyo, ilagay nyo lang yung inyong address. You can click this one, guys, kung same lang nung inyong address na nilagay kanina. And ma-fill na lahat ng informations dito. And if in transit naman, guys, ayan, kung lilipat lang kayo ng ibang airport, ilagay mo lang yung airport ninyo, guys, kung anong airport yan, and country of destination. After that, you just have to click the next button. And ayan, so nandito na tayo sa kanilang step 5, which is i-declare na natin yung ating health. So, fill up your travel information. So, let's get started. So, nakalagay dito guys, kailangan lang natin ilagay yung month, date, and year nung ating first dose ng vaccination. So, okay lang kung wala talaga kayong vaccination, leave it blank, and then click mo na yung next button. Pero, kung meron na kayong kung nagpa-vaccine na kayo, first dose, ilagay mo yung date nito kung kailan ba yan, and kung ano yung pangalan ng inyong vaccine. So, ayan. Meron namang mga choices dito sa may bandang baba. Ayan, so kung isa dito guys, ayan, may Johnson & Johnson, Moderna, and etc. So, for example, Sinovac, and then yung date kung kailan kayo nagpa-vaccine. And then, dito naman, kung vaccinated ba kayo ng second dose, pwede mo i-click yung yes. Kapag hindi naman, kung isang vaccine lang, click mo yung no. So, dito guys, tayo sa yes. Lagay lang ulit natin kung kailan tayo nagpa-vaccine. Ayan. For example, ayan. And then, ulit yung pangalan ng vaccine natin. For example, this one again. Ayan. So, dito naman, countries work, visited and transited in the last 30 days daw. So, optional lang naman yan. Pero kung gusto mong ilagay, okay lang din. Kaya may mga choices naman. And then, click mo lang yung add. So, eto, kailangan din natin i-declare kung meron ba tayong history of exposure to known, probable, and or confirmed COVID-19 cases. So, 14 days before the onset of signs and symptoms, or if it asymptomatic, 14 days before swabbing or specimen collection, or any knowledge of being exposed to a person diagnosed with monkeypox. So, kailangan natin sagutin yan. And kung wala naman guys, click mo lang yung no. So, eto pa, have you been sick in the past 30 days? Kailangan din natin na i-declare yan. And then after that, click mo na yung next button. So, step 6 naman guys, kailangan lang natin na i-double check yung mga informations na nilagay natin dito. And then, once na na-confirm nyo na tama naman lahat ng information, punta na kayo dun sa may pinakababa. So, once na nalagay nyo na lahat ng information, you just have to click the submit button. And ayan guys, naka-receive na tayo ng email from etravel platform. And isasend na din nila sa inyo ang inyong QR code na pwede nating scan once na dumating na tayo ng Pilipinas or do sa country na pupuntahan natin na kailangan ng QR code ng ating eTravel Pass. So, ganun lang naman kadali guys yung paggawa ng eTravel. So, if you have any questions, mag-comment lang kayo dun sa ating comment section and itatry natin na sagutin yan as much as we can.